George Brown just has always had a really wonderful reputation to me since I moved to Toronto. And to me, just my whole life, I've always been very interested in construction, seeing a hole in the ground become something. You need to be a hard worker, and you definitely need to be a team player in this industry. That's a must, but you need to be able to be versatile and change day to day if you need to, and you need to put in the work.
The expectations of George Brown were, I think, to give me a foundation in the technical side of architecture. Ultimately, I did want to pursue my own company at some point, and I wanted to learn as much as I could about the fundamentals of what I needed to get there, and I think George Brown delivered that.
You need to know the software, and George Brown has taught us the most up-to-date software in the industry right now. Our program coordinator actually was the one who set us up with all these co-ops, as well as the industry liaison office. They were phenomenal. So I didn't even pursue Moriyama Tashima. They actually set me up with an initial interview for a co-op there, and that's how I ended up getting my placement there. And then upon graduation, when I wasn't sure what was the next step, I talked again with the faculty here, and that's how I ended up back at Moriyama Tashima. So they were a very big help in my future.
We look at George Brown graduates because of their technical background. So being an alumni, I know sort of the history it brings and what's taught to students. And we value that as part of our hiring process. We know a student from George Brown will be capable of doing the work we need.